How to add Google Maps Friends Location widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Widgets. And from here, scroll down, then tap on Maps. After that, drag the Friends Location widget and drop it to the home screen. And from here, you can choose your friends from the contact. And that's it. When you open up the widget, it will show your friends and locations. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So here, when you tap on the widget, it will try to locate your friend's location, depending if they are online or not. And that's it. Thank you for watching.